Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn off background apps to save battery on Vivo X200 FE or Pro. If you're using Vivo X200 FE or FE Pro and now you want to turn off or disable your background apps, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for battery, and here just further scroll down and you will get all of the battery usage of the apps. You must have to open the app which background uses you want to disable or turn off, as I'm going to select this one because this background uses 29 minutes. Just select it, and here you have to disable the setting which is allow background uses. You just have to tab on it to turn it off. So that's how you can easily turn off background usage of every app, but you just have to turn off background usage one by one of every app. So thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.